Hello, this is my major PT in chemistry. To avoid any color changes or oxidizing, put the potatoes in cold water or ice water because potatoes can change color because of the chemical reaction produced by the oxygen. When boiling the potatoes, carbohydrates are broken down, which causes chemical reaction to the potato and to the paste. I didn't show it in the video, but we melted the butter to put it on the potatoes to make it more buttery and silky. By adding cream to the potatoes, it will make the potatoes more creamier and fluffier. When potatoes meet milk, on the other hand, the starch reacts differently. Mashing or brewing potatoes with milk, cream, or butter contains casein proteins. Casein reduces the quantities of amylosis that leaks out the starch granules and also limits the swelling of the starch, leading to a smoother, more pleasing consistency. We are done right now with the mashed potatoes. We are currently patting down any excess moisture from the steak to have a more crispier crust. By putting salt on the steak before we cook it, it helps to draw out the protein-rich juice that dries out on the surface during cooking, creating a more crispier crust and a deeply seasoned steak. We need to put the oil on a hot pan so the steak won't stick when we put it in the pan. We need to hear the sizzle so we can see the Maillard reaction that we are looking for in the steak. Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between an amino acid and a reducing sugar, usually requiring the addition of heat. The browning of the steak is usually caused by the Maillard reaction. It also adds flavor to the steak. By basting the steak, the butter both deepens the crust of the steak and helps the steak cook more quickly. Right now, we are making a roux by adding flour to the melted butter to create a paste. What we are doing right now is emulsification by adding two different liquid ingredients like water and oil or cream and mixing it together to emulsify to create a gravy or a sauce. We are done with our solution or our gravy and we can now plate and start eating.